Hello, beautiful plus size people. How are you? Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty give you health, wealth, and success in every field of life. Today, I brought for you very amazing and latest Pixie hairstyles for plus size. If you are plus size woman, then these hairstyles will make you beautiful no matter your age. I hope you like all the hairstyles. If you like my video and if you are new on my channel, I request you to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. And please let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.